ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम नमो भगवते श्री रमणाय। So we have to enter 8th chapter of Sri Ramana Gita. Before that, somebody wanted little clarification on the last 3 verses of the 7th chapter. We saw 2 nishtas are there. That is, ekasya dhyanataschitah chittam ekakriti bhavishyati ekakrtitvam chittasya swarupe sthitaye bhavet. So dhyana marga first purifies your antakarana, then you reach yourself. Direct path is self-inquiry. Now in the 24th verse, Bhagavan says, Anichaya api ataha dhyayan vindati atmani samsthitam vicharakastu vijnaya bhaved atmani samsthitaha. Now anichaya api, somebody is meditating. He has not desire to realize the self, but he is learning the art of contemplation, art of meditation. He is silencing the mind. Whatever reason, he doesn't want to realize the self, but he wanted to be happy, so silencing the mind, etc., etc. But once you silence the mind, even if you do not want to realize the self is realized. That's what. So, Vicharakastu Vijnaya Bhaved Atman. Vicharaka knows that I am doing, I wanted to know this self, who am I, where is this Ahamurti coming from? He meditates on the source of the ego I. Humming aa raha hai, awaaz kam karo. Source of ego I, and then he realizes self. Dhayato, then some people meditate on what? Devata, mantra. They keep their other goal. They do. Dhyaya vastu, they keep meditating on a form or a mantra or a sound. Slowly they purify and they emerge in their lustrous self. That's it. Either way you do, it purifies your mind and destiny. So, therefore, these two, gati is same. Destination is same for these two. One who meditates and one who directly goes for the self-inquiry. So, dhyayan eka prashanta syat anyo vijnaya shamyati. One becomes extremely peaceful by meditating on the self, and that peace of mind reveals him the self. Other one, he knows what he is doing, he wants to know, and vijnaya shamyati. He becomes completely merges in self. That is the essence of the chapter 7th. Okay. Now, Ashtamodhyayaha. Asmin adhyaye ashrama prayojanadi vicharyate. Now, in this chapter, analysis of 4 ashramas are taken up. Brahmacharya, Grahastha, Vanaprastha, and Sannyasa ashramas are taken up for studies. What is the prayojanam? Ashrama prayojanam. That is the topic now. So, repeat the mantra, sloka. Karshnere va param prashnam nishamya bhagavan munihi chaturashramya sambadha chaturashrama sambadham adhikaram nyarupayat कार्ष्णेरेवापरं प्रश्नं निशम्य भगवान् मुनिः चातुराश्रम्य संबद्धम् अधिकारं न्यरूपयत्. No, Karshnereva. That earlier chapter, Karshni asked, no, the questions. Karshni is the name of the person. He only asked another question. Aparam Prashnam. Other question he asked. What is that? Karshnereva Purvadhyaya Prashtaha Tasyeva Aparam Anyam Prashnam Bhagavan Munihi Maharshihi Nishamya Shrutva Chaturashramya Sambaddham Chatvara Ashramastayeva Chaturashramyam Brahmacharyadi Tena Sambaddham Adhikaram Vishayam Nyarupayat Pratyapadayat. So Karshnehe Eva Purvadhyaya Prashtaha. Then one who asked in an earlier chapter, Karshni, same Karshni, Tasyeva Aparam Anyam Prashnam. He asked another question. Bhagavan, other Prashnam he asked. So the question of Karshni, Bhagavan Munihi Nishamya. The Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi Nishamya, meaning Srutva, having heard. His question, Chaturashram Sambhaddham question actually. He asked about Chaturashrama related to Chaturashrama, Brahmacharya, Grahastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasi ashramas. So, regarding that, Chatvara ashramasta eva Chaturashramyam Brahmacharyadi Tena Sambaddham related to that, Adhikaram, who is fit enough for what ashram? Nisham Vishayam Nirupayat Pratyapadayat, meaning Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi elucidated regarding the 4 ashramas. That is Brahmacharya, Grahastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasa. Now Bhagavan, he asked a question, so Bhagavan explained. Brahmachari gruhi vapi Vanaprasthothava yatihi Nari va vrushalo vapi Pakvo Brahma vicharayet. Brahmachari gruhi vapi Vanaprasthothava yatihi Nari va vrushalo vapi Pakvo Brahma vicharayet. No, Brahmachari. Brahmachari, Prathamashrami, first ashrama. Brahmachari. Now in the Shastras, Upan, Puranas, in Shastras, exhaustively said, what are who is a Brahmachari, when he becomes a Brahmachari, and student life, how should he study, what should be his character, what should be his habits. Ati sarvatra varjayet. Brahmachari is focused, not involved in any unwanted activities. Focus. Upanitaha. Upanita Brahmachari means one who has got Upanayanam. Upanayana ceremony. One who got that thread, sacred thread. Sacred thread is eligible, everybody is eligible for sacred thread. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishyas, of course Veda speaks about it. हमारे यहाँ नहीं होता, हमारे यहाँ नहीं होता, ये सब बकवास बातें हैं. हमारे घर में कभी नहीं करते हैं. If your great grandfather is an utter fool, it doesn't mean you should continue his foolishness. थोड़ा गुस्सा है ना? वो बेवकूफ लोग होंगे तो आप लोग बेवकूफ, continuing the tradition of बेवकूफीनेस. Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya allowed. Shudras allowed. For them also Gayatri Mantra can be. But they said it is not required for you. Why? They are always engaged in seva. They don't have any separate time to do all these things. They are continuous 24 hours. Malik bulate rehte, they are always serving. They have to get up first and मालिक को जगाते हैं एंड मालिक के लिए सब तैयारी करते हैं. So they serve, so they are not required for them. In case if somebody wants it, well, you can be initiated into Gayatri. In our Chinmayaranyam ashram, Swamini Sharada Amma, and also many other masters also. In ashram you go, in olden days, every day 6 o'clock, all the children in the ashram, whether they are from which, you are a human being, no, that's it. We don't know their caste, creed and community. We don't, everyone is initiated and everybody will sit around in that sacred fire and then poor every day Gayatri Havan karte the. Little, all the girls, boy, everyone will sit around. And they do, all the boys, they chant, they learn, they do. Amma is to give sacred thread to everybody. Yes, everyone start. Upanayana samskar. So everybody is eligible. So it's called Dvijaha, twice born. Samskarat Dvija Uchyate. Janmana Jayate Shudraha. Manu says, by birth everybody is Shudra, meaning asamskari. Who is a Shudra? Asamskari is a Shudra. He may be suited, booted. But he has no system, no methodology, no lifestyle, proper regulation, discipline, kuch bhi nahi. He is a Shudra. Absolutely untidy, no rules, regulate, nothing. Asamskari. Usko samskarit karna hai. So, janmana jayate shudraha samskarat dvija uchyate. When Upanayana samskara, Gayatri mantra is given, he becomes a dvija, twice born. He is a newborn. Dvija.
What is the second name?
Samskarat dvija uchyate. Janmana jayate shudraha samskarat dvija uchyate. Vedabhyasi bhavet vipraha. Then afterwards he studies Veda. Vedabhyasi, he becomes Vipra. Vipra means a well-learned person. Not Brahmana, Vipra, learned. Then who is Brahmana? Brahmajanadi Brahmanaha. One who knows Brahman is a Brahmana. Or one who is on the path of Brahma Vidya, he is a Brahmana. So, Upavitaha, Upanitaha, Gruhi, Gruhastaha, householder. So, a lot of responsibility. Grihastha ashrama dharma, so many. He also should do yajna, everyday havan, agnihotra karyam should do. Everyday agnihotram, everyday upasana, atidhi seva, then beings, pancha yajnas they do. Brahma yajna, Deva yajna, Pitru yajna, every day they have to do. Meaning taking care of the total life. That is the meaning. Pancha yajnas they do. Plus they do every day. And Vanaprastha, Truti ashrami, third ashrama, where they withdraw. Not they don't hold on to, बस मेरे पोते के शादी होने के बाद मैं जाऊंगी. कहाँ? सीधा ऊपर. Stupidity. And everybody says, हम गृहस्थ हैं. I am a householder, स्वामी जी. क्या करें? How old are you? 72. अच्छा. मैं तो वेद मार्ग का मैं डेली भगवान का फॉलो करता हूँ. अच्छा. पता है वेद क्या कहता है? हाँ. गृहस्थ आश्रम इज अ स्टेज. यू शुड नॉट हग टू इट. चिपकना नहीं उसको. हम तो चिपकली है. We have no guts to withdraw. Vanaprastha ashrama, withdraw. Completely. But the more age, more your desire to involve. More control you want. कभी कभी मौका मिलता है डांटने का, मेरे को थोड़ा डांट खा लेना. More the age, more involvement in the house affairs. That is not the Rishi's path. They never said involve. They said withdraw. So, from the Rishi's point of view, they need not have sympathy for us because we are not following them. आग में उंगली लगाकर बोलते हो को जलना नहीं. किसने कहा आग में रखने के लिए उंगली? जानबूझकर जग लगाओ, जल जाएगा. फिर बोलते हैं कि वो जल रहा है. Your own attachments, your own involvement, unnecessary, unwanted involvement is the cause of samsara. Tritiya ashrami. Withdraw and focus only on studies. Limited, minimum life. एक बार खाया, बाकी सब समय spend time in contemplation, in study of shastras, satsang. 1 week camp, daily 25 calls to children. क्या क्या खाना खाया, क्या सोया, क्या? हाँ सोया था मम्मी तो जगा दिया. हम सुधरेंगे नहीं, फिर उल्टा फिर ज्ञान बांटते रहते सबको. स्तुति आश्रमी यतिर्वा तुरी आश्रमी बड़े सन्यासी और नारी स्त्री और वृषलः शूद्रो वा एनीबडी ब्रह्मचर्य गृहस्थ वानप्रस्थ सन्यासी स्त्री ए वुमेन और वृषलः शूद्रो वा पक्वः परिपाकवान one who had matured, inner maturity, inner vairagya, fructification, one who has got maturity, whoever you are maybe, once you get the maturity, paripakva, brahma atmaswarupena hridaye avasthitam swarupam vicharayet. That Brahman who is residing in one's own heart as one's own self should be contemplated upon. Irrespective of you are a woman or a Shudra or a brahmachari, grahastha householder, vanaprastha, the forest dweller, or a yati or a monk or mendicant or sannyasi you are, renunciate you are. Once you have become matured, should be spent time only on contemplating on Brahman who is seated in your own heart as one's own self. Now, what is the general thinking? Sannyasinam eva jnane adhikaraha stri shudranam na asti adhikara iti eke tad na ityaha. Some people say, oh, only sannyasis are eligible, fit enough in knowledge, jnane adhikaraha, not other women and shudras, na astyev adhikaraha, उनको अधिकार नहीं है. स्त्री और शूद्रों के लिए, ओनली सन्यासी के लिए ही ज्ञान में अधिकार है. ऐसा जो विचार है वो नहीं है, वो गलत है. फिर किसमें उनको मना किया गया? शूद्र को, स्त्री को? यह बता रहे वेदादि शास्त्र अध्ययनस्य एव निषेधः स्त्री शूद्राणाम. Stree and Shudra, they are not allowed to Vedadi Shastra Adhyayanasya. Because, certain rituals are there, certain mantra. See, there are so many limitations in women. So, therefore, Rishi said, okay, you are exempted from all this. Not to realize the self. The Shastra says you are exempted. So exempted not out of hatred, out of concern. But in that, the Brahmavadini, Gargi is there in olden days. Many strees, women were great pandits. There are exceptions. Exceptions cannot be called as a rule. There's some extraordinary. Otherwise, the general tendency is that, even today in the world, woman is not independent. She cannot, so much of scare is there, fear is there, of security required for her. So she cannot just wander in the jungle, akela. Fear of life, fear of, many other fear protections, physical protection, mental protections. So why do you take trouble? You want to know the truth, no, you don't have to go anywhere. So they said, okay, certain things are there, Veda Adhyayan mein. Don't enter into it. Don't compete with the men. You become, unfold your own heart and realize the truth in your own self. So therefore it says, Natu esham atma vichara anadhikaraha. There is no ineligibility for them in atma vichara. In atma jnanam there is no ineligibility. Physical strength is different from man to woman. Respect the creation, no? Body little bit weak. Okay, some exception. You see WWF, there are women also, wrestlers are there. Everybody cannot be like that, no? There are exceptionals. But the exceptions are there. You can, but then there are some limitations are there. So in olden days, this kind of facilities also are not there to build up your physical bodies and exercise, gym and karate and all. Olden days they are there, but they are not taught. So their focus was culture was different at that time. So they said, okay, focus on that. Paripaka eva adhikaritvaya prabhavati na varnashramo va. That the self-enquiry is to realize the truth. The eligibility is your paripaka, meaning maturity is the eligibility, not janma, nor the gender. You can meditate, contemplate, and know the truth. That is a Vedic. That time the Vedas, why trouble them? Out of concern. And they have a better role to play. They have to bring, the woman is, every house, the woman is good, the country is saved. Good in the sense, good, knowledgeable, matured. But sometimes women drag whole family onto the roads. Women's greed, for example. At least husband also greedy, woman is double greedy. But what will happen? Who will balance? So that mother is given a great role in the families. That's why our Puja Guruji कहते हैं, somebody, I do nothing, I don't do any job. ऐसा मत कहो. Your important is home, your work, you are doing your job as a mother. The big role it is to play. A big role to play. So the world is suffering today, whether men or women. Greed is a karana. And greed is increasing the consumption. And the consumable consumption ke liye, more and more consumption, it is affecting the planet. Resources. On the whole planet is suffering today. I want 22 pairs of chappal, 58 pairs of clothes. Abundance, consumerism. In olden days, one ambassador car means lifelong chalta tha. Abhi, every third year tax saving, car gadi badalo. What is happening to scrap? Do you think 100% is recycled? No. How much plastic is there on the earth? So, therefore, greed is the killing us. So, there the balance was created in the family by Rishi system. You go and earn money, take care of family. Let her not be burdened with finances. And she is trained to be contented, improve on quality of life, not on standard of life, as Gurudev says. Standard of living, not standard of life is to be improved, not standard of living. Standard of living is no. Standard of life, that is the role of the mother. If mother is also running after standard of living, no beta, you must look beautiful. So loan leke gaadi kharida. बेटा बोलते पीयर प्रेशर, वो अपना नया 5 लाख का बाइक पे आ रहा है, पीयर प्रेशर, व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग? इज इट पीयर प्रेशर? एनी मीनिंग टू ऐड टू इट? आई एम प्रेशराइज, ओ बेटा पीयर प्रेशर ज्यादा हो गया, हम भी तेरे गाड़ी खरीद ले देंगे. एंड डेट्स, 25 credit cards and 1 debit card. This is right now, modern world. Right now. You know? So no contentment, no joy of living together, nothing, no values of life, no, nothing. So that is not the case. Once you become matured, whether Stri or Studra or Brahmacharya or Grahastha or Vanaprastha or Sannyasi, fit for inquiry, pursue the path, realize the self. Otherwise, the restrictions are there. Societal restrictions are plenty. And I respect that, no. I accept it. Man's role cannot be fulfilled by women. Woman's role cannot be done all the time by man. There are certain restrictions are there. If everything, everybody can do everything, then problem खत्म हो जाता है ना. ऐसा नहीं ना. It is not that competition out of vengeance. Who is superior? Which gender is superior? लड़ते रहेंगे. Nobody is superior. It's a balance required in life. That is never taught. You are always taught right from childhood. You teach children also. You are taught also. What? Grow, career, build money, अपना घर बनाओ, अपना गाड़ी ले लो, आराम से जो हो, दुख से मरो. चैन से मरो हो ही नहीं सकता है. दुख से मरो, पेन से मरो, जलन से मरो, अतृप्ति से मरो. Any day, ancient values alone will rescue the world. Rishi Viparampara. And mind you all, your insensitivity towards the totality is not withdrawal. You people think insensitivity to total life is vairagya. I know so many people in Noida only. They're insensitive to the others' needs and they think Mahavairagya. So, Varna is not self-inquiry, everybody. Certain restrictions are there, accept it. Everybody is challenging everything. And then wisdom is so deep, Rishi wisdom, you cannot connect it why it is said. So because you cannot understand, you have no faith. Then you question everything. Then bring destruction. Rishis deal at subtler level, not at a gross level. ठीक है. अथ आश्रम व्यवस्थायाः प्रयोजनम आह. Now, what is the प्रयोजनम of ashramas are told. सोपानत्वपरं प्राप्तुम् भविष्यत्याश्रमक्रमः अत्यन्तपक्वचित्तस्य क्रमापेक्षा न विद्यते. Now, ashramakramah, there is sequence. Krama, order. Ashramakramah, what? First become brahmachari, then enter grahastha, then don't stuck up there, then withdraw. After 50, 55, withdraw. At least maximum 60 withdraw. Then pursue Vanaprastha ashrama. Our Swami Prashantananji used to be there. So I used to tell him, he is a very elderly man, but we are both good friends also. So when Swamiji called me and said, I am getting my sannyas diksha, when he was 75-year-old, about 15 years back, some 12, 13 years back. मैं कहीं था फोन स्वामी जी अरे मस्त है आई वॉज नॉट इवन ए ब्रह्मचारी एंड ऑल डायरेक्टली वॉज इवन संन्यास he said I said यार स्वामी जी when I said you used to call him Rao Saab and Dataji and all I said what is your age now he said 75 perfect I said perfect age he laughed because exactly he lived गृहस्थ आश्रम वनप्रस्थ दोनों चले गए आश्रम में रहने लगे दोनों excellently they served 51 years they 25 45 50 years they left home 50 years 25 years they lived happily and then Amma died then at the age of 75 exactly he took sannyas I said you are following the Vedic vidhan mast hai bola maine he was laughing Gurudev's grace he said हम लोग 92 क्या बनाया ऐसा क्यों किया है बैठ नहीं पाते ठीक से हैं That's why Gurudev said too early for next life. Why did you come, old people? Too early for next life. ओल्ड पीपल बैठ जाए पहले बार बैठ गए सत्संग में इफ यू स्टार्ट स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस एट एट ऑफ 75 80 60 एंड ऑल अबव टू अर्ली फॉर नेक्स्ट लाइफ बोलते थे गुरुदेव बिकॉज वी मिस द बस ब्रह्म सोपान मीनिंग स्टेजेस आर देयर स्टेप्स आर देयर सो आश्रम क्रम ब्रह्मचर्याश्रमादीनां पौर्वापर्यक्रम परम ब्रह्म प्राप्तुम सोपानवद भविष्यति to attain the parabrahma like these all the ashram stages help you like a staircase to reach brahman brahmacharya next step grihastha thoda upar then vanaprastha then sannyas ये तो सोपान क्रम ओके आरोहण पद्यागट्ठवत् लेकिन the ascending staircase अच्छा आश्रम क्रम अनपेक्षम कैश्चित परम प्राप्तुम शक्यते somebody need not follow ashram rules they need not go through big discussion happens in Shankara Bhashya and where Purupakshi says no Veda says brahmacharya grihastha you are condemning that path and you are advocating something direct sannyas and all this and that blah blah. He said, no, Bhagavan defended that. No, these steps are required only for immature people, those who are not matured. Those are extremely matured, he can directly take up sannyas. ये गृहस्थ बनना वनप्रस्थ बनना कोई जरूर नहीं है डायरेक्ट संन्यास ले लो That's what he says. Ashrama krama anapeksham kaishchit param praptam shakti. For some people, they need not follow. Who are they? Atyanta pakva chittasya krama apeksha navidyate. Those who are extremely pure, they need not follow all the janjhat. They directly can go walk into sannyas. By Shastra says, pakvataya eva adhikara prapte. No, but what is adhikara prapti? Eligibility criteria, pakvata, maturity. Automatic, when you are completely matured, you don't have to follow all this path. Walk out of the house. नहीं ये करो शादी करो फिर बाद में पागलपन है क्या उपनिषद में भी आता है कहानी यार पुराण में भी हाँ ये सब करते करते तो बुढ़ा हो जाओगे करके बोलता है जीव the moment so therefore Veda says yadhareva virajet tadhareva prahajet the day you get vairagya that is the day to leave the house and get out turnam vinirgamyatam Bhagavan Shankaracharya says so the moment you understood turnam vinirgamyatam Bhavasuke doshonusandiya. As the moment you get this knowledge and understanding and vairagya, yadhareva virajet, tadhareva pravrajet. The day, the time you got this thought enough, then and that alone, time alone you live. Sridhara Swami, a great Mahatma. His samadhi is in Karnataka. He did tapasya in our Sajjangarh, where Samartha Ramdas की जगह पे, वहीं पे जगह तपस्थले भी है उनकी है, कमरे भी है. Recently, last century के. I was told, so there were discussion going on in the house. How Mahatmas leave the house. So कोई कह रहे थे कि ऐसा छोड़ देते, ऐसा कॉपी करके जाते थे. Somebody describing. So Sridhara Swami got up and said, that time he was not, just he got up and said, वो पता ना that अंगवस्त्र, टॉवल, बेड, लंबा टॉवल. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं जाते हैं. जाते समय ऐसा कपड़ा छाता पे रखते हैं, कंधे पे रख के चले जाते हैं. डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहे थे. दे थॉट दैट ही इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिंग. लगाया, चला गया, वापस नहीं आया. अरे कहाँ तक जा रहे? गए. He never returned again. What happened to Samartha Ramdas शादी में? सावधान, सावधान, he awoken small deep states of alertness became. What am I doing? I am eternal, free spirit I am. Oh my God! Savadhan, that Savadhan awakened the spirit. Alert. Done. भाग गए, पीछे बढ़े, मिला नहीं कभी भी. Guru of Shivaji Maharaj. So, yadhareva viraje tadhareva. So, therefore, for matured people, they need not follow all the route. So, ashramakramasya astiyeva prayojanam tadaha. So, acha, that is, you told about 4 ashramas and who is not required to follow. Now, what is the prayojanam of brahmacharya ashrama, grihastha ashrama? One ashram prayojanam. Those who are step by step, they are going. So, Bhagavan says, Gataye loka karyanam adishant. Anyway, I'll read one line continuously. Gataye loka karyanam adi shantyashramakramam. So, okay, ashram adishanti ashramakramam. So, Gataye loka karyanam आदिशन्त्याश्रमक्रमम् आश्रमत्रयधर्माणाम् न ज्ञानप्रतिकूलता. So, लोककार्याणां गतये प्रचलनाय आश्रमकं चातुर्विधि व्यवस्थात्मकम् आदिशन्ति शास्त्राणि इति शेषः. Now, for why this 4 ashram? Because society has, see, in society there must be an order. Why Constitution of India or traffic rules? Why traffic rules? If you are on the road, you have to follow traffic rules. Oh, I am an expert driver. You may be, but others are not. So traffic rules are laid down. For what? To bring order on the road. For the safety of everybody. So society, humanity, society can live only when there is an order. There is a rhythm. And there should not be any disorder. Chaos. If the traffic is, police constable is not there, signal is not there, there is chaos. Within half a minute you can see the chaos there. 15 seconds में. Signal काम नहीं कर रहा है, there is no constable to control. You can see the chaos in half a minute, 15 seconds also. 5 seconds है ना, वही गाड़ी ऐसा है, वो गाड़ी ऐसा, वही घी बस बटर चला गया. So, गुण कर्म विभागशः. I created this for because according to what is eligibility, what is your quality, what kind of according to guna, the karma is given so that you do your work. Vidurji says, I know Brahmajnanam, but I will not teach you. To Dhritarashtra he said, I am not eligible to teach you. I am not that Kshatriya category also. So therefore he says, no, I will not teach you. I am born as a Sudra woman, I am born. Vyasaputra. So therefore he says, no, I cannot. If I make any mistake in teaching, Mahatmas will curse me. So my eligibility is only to teach you Dharma Shastras, but not the Jnanam. Upanishad Mantra, Upanishad Veda, I know, but I will not teach you. That is discipline, order. Order. Because social teacher, mathematics teacher is not coming, social teacher you send to handle the class, to teach mathematics. What will happen? She will beautifully arrange in the form of a country shape the entire digits, numbers, numerology 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a country shape and go. So mathematics in the map form. Better you confine. So therefore, lokakaryanam adishanti ashrama karma. So there is an order required. Therefore, you do this job. This is your duties. This is your duty. This is your duties. Please, so that society, everybody does their duties. Society will be harmonious. No, very good. Now, bijli wala kaam karna hai. They are working. Electricity when traffic is working, and then the entire governance is there. Therefore, we are peaceful now. Don't think that, soldiers are working in protecting the country. Bijli government, water department is working. And ashram workers are working to keep all these things neat and clean. So there is another way. Lighting is required, mic is required, somebody has to set, somebody has to keep water. So much of order is required. Everybody, they do their job, then this kind of talk is going on. So who is great in it? Nah? Nobody is great. This is an order. Order is possible only when everybody does their duties. You give lease your duties also to Swiggy, Zomato. In olden days, every event, everybody is an expert in the event management. They would sit together and plan for a wedding, plan for a function, plan for a program. They themselves do everything. Nowadays, you don't have any knowledge. You have only arrogance of money. What are event manager को बुला लो, इसको contract, उसको contract, and you don't know how to monitor also. So you will end up in troubles. होता है कि नहीं? So better we should know what we are supposed to do. So therefore for that, adishanti शास्त्राणि शेषः तुरीय आश्रमस्य एव ज्ञानानुकूलत्वं न तु इतरस्य आश्रमत्रयस्य इति न मंतव्यम इति आह. So one should not consider only Turiya Sannyas ashrama alone is meant for knowledge. Other three ashramas are not possible when they are in Brahmacharya, Grihastha and Vanaprastha. They cannot gain knowledge. Only sannyasi alone can gain knowledge. This kind of a thought is not to be entertained. Why? Because Ashramatraya dharmanam na jnana pratikulata. They are not against gaining the knowledge of Supreme in all the three ashrams. They are not obstructing in gaining knowledge. नहीं जब तक हम यहाँ पर है तब तक ज्ञान की प्राप्ति नहीं होगी. They don't obstruct. ज्ञान प्रतिकूलता नहीं है. ज्ञान के लिए सभी आश्रम अनुकूल है. सानुकूलता या नहीं तो अननुकूलता बुद्धि में है. Right? Who should cooperate with you? Your buddhi, your mind should cooperate. Your mind doesn't cooperate, your buddhi is not cooperating, and you blame society and the world. So therefore, ashramatraya dharmanam na jnana, they don't oppose. All the three can be used. They facilitate the wisdom. So swashrama dharmam yatha vidhi anutishthitah brahmacharino grihino vanaprasthasya va na jnana pratibandhakam dharmacharanam. Dharmacharanam jnana. No. You do your dharma and they don't obstruct. Jnana pratibandhakam, no. You can meditate anytime. Your destiny is to be grahastha, vanaprastha, brahmacharya, ashrama, you have to go. Go, but anywhere, anytime you can gain supreme knowledge of the higher self. Ashrama doesn't obstruct. But what is obstructing? Your own buddhi, your own mind. The thought. What is the thought? Things are not conducive for meditation. Somebody messaged me some few days back, out of concern. Oh, you are touring too much, getting tired here and all. When do you take rest? I said, I take rest between two talks. I take rest. Between two lectures, I take rest. Then the person put namaskar. Somebody was saying yesterday, oh, when do you take rest? I said, I am taking rest now. Right now, I am in rest. Right now, I am taking rest. What am I doing now? Resting now. Comfortably seated in chair. Resting. The truth. पाँच मिनट का काम के लिए 5 घंटा आप मन में सोचते हैं ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड तनाव. कैसे होगा? फोन करना है, फोन करना है, फोन करना है, पता नहीं, फोन करना है, फोन करना है, बात बोलना है, फोन करना है, बात करना है, बात करना है, उनसे बात नहीं पता है, फोन करना है, फोन करना है, वो नहीं. दिस इज कॉल्ड तनाव. फोन करो 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा. नहीं करते हो. करना है, करना है, करना है, करना है. खाना बनाने का टाइम आधा घंटा, पौने घंटा. बनाना है, बनाना है, बनाना है, कल बनाना है, क्या बनाना है, कल बनाना है, क्या बनाना है, क्या बनाना. दिस इज 12 घंटा तनाव. शर्म नहीं है? शर्म नहीं है क्या? So there is no jnana pratikulata. पागल लोग हैं रियल स्पीक. शाम को गाड़ी पकड़ना है, शाम को ना, तो अभी से क्यों पकड़े हो गाड़ी को? शाम को पकड़ना है ना, हाँ, तो अब से क्यों पकड़ा? You don't know. We are not spiritual. We think we are spiritual. We are not. We don't know how to live life. We complicate everything and say this is obstacle, that is obstacle, this is not conducive, that is not conducive. लोग बोलते बहुत बिजी है स्वामी जी, इसलिए सत्संग में आ नहीं पा रही हूँ, या आ नहीं सकता हूँ, आजकल नहीं आ रहा हूँ. अच्छा, 24 बिजी. पत्थर क्या उठा रहे क्या? पत्थर कर क्या रहे हो आप? साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम. And if I tell, no, you can plan your timing, please free your mind, they think that Swamiji wants audience. भाड़ में जाओ. Select all, delete all my policy. छोड़ना आसान है. They think that I want audience. I don't want audience at all. इसलिए वो बोलता नहीं मैं. अच्छा तो बिजी है, may God bless you, may God bless you. That's it. Okay, be busy, and die one day. Plan. If you know that suppose some program is there, free your mind. आप मेरे से विचारों से सहमत है? नहीं है तो अभी बोल देना. So there is no jnana pratikulata, meaning nothing stops in gaining wisdom, whatever ashram you are in. For vyavahar ke liye, yes, many people have married only because of the family compulsions and requirements. They married. Some people have withdrawn. Certain things are required. Certain things brahmacharya I don't want, but then you have to study. Like Gurudev said, all brahmacharis and swamis have to study. Not that they are interested in study, they don't want study, but to tell others they have to study. Otherwise, one great Mahatma told us, भैया आपके पास जो ज्ञान है, that is enough for you to realize the truth. And that is also enough to teach others. Don't carry extra load. Withdraw. For that, I have to facilitate certain things, you have to agree and all. Otherwise, no need. Okay? Atha Sannyasa Swarupam Aha. What is Sannyasa Swarupam? Sannyaso Nirmalam Jnanam Na Kashayo Na Mundanam Pratibandhaka Bahulya Varanaya Shrammo Mataha Sannyaso Nirmalam Jnanam. Yeah, Spashtam. Sannyasasya Swarupam Jnanam. What is the nature of sannyasa? Jnana Swarupam. Na Bhagyam Kashaya Mundanadi. A great Mahatma, he was a Mahayogi. He never advocated sannyasa, he is all grahastha, but extraordinarily, brilliantly great spiritual master. Awakened. When I wonder at his wisdom and that Mahayogi with phenomenal, anyway. He that used to joke. कहते हैं मैं संन्यास ग्रहण किया. तेलुगु में बोलते संन्यास से हिंदी में अनुवाद मैं संन्यास ले लिया, मैं संन्यास ग्रहण किया. वो बोलते थे ये ग्रहण करने के लिए पेसरट्टू उपमा है क्या, इडली सांबार है क्या? ग्रहण करना क्या है? वो ग्रहण करने से नहीं होता है. हाउ कैन यू संन्यास मीन छोड़ना क्या ग्रहण कैसे कर सकते हो? Sannyas is not something external. Therefore, nakashayade. So, tattu ashrama lakshanam. That is what is that? Tarhi, that is the lakshanam. Swarupam, jnana swarupam is sannyasa ashrama lakshanam. Tarhi, then, vyartha sannyasa ashrama vyavastha iti. Then that is the case. Sannyasa ashrama is bekar hai na. If sannyasa is jnana swarupam, and that jnana can be attained in brahmacharya, grahastha and vanaprastha stages, then one sannyasa ashrama then. If sannyasa is defined as a state of wisdom, state of knowledge, jnana swarupam, then why sannyasa ashram? If it is not mundanam and kashaya, why it is not, it defeats its purpose now. Why sannyasa then? No, it is not like that. Jnana sadhana dashayam viraktasyapi purushasya bahula vigna sambhavat tan nivrityartho hi ashrama vidhi. One who has got vairagya, viraktasyapi, he is a vairagi. He is practicing jnana dasha, meaning he is practicing knowledge, inquiry, tapasya करते समय भी उस आदमी के लिए, for somebody, बहुल विघ्न संभवात. There are so many obstacles are possible. Therefore, tan nivrityartho hi ashrama vidhi. In order to free from all that encumbrances, sannyasa is required to free yourself from all these encumbrances. Bahula vigna, grahastha, many vignas, vanaprastha also vignas are there, brahmacharya also vignas, so many vignas. So I don't want all this. I want to be free. घर पहुंचा करो, ये करो, वो करो, पानी ढूंढो, ये करो. These are all obstacles for meditator, a real meditator. Not our type, but don't think you are meditator. I think I reached that state. And you go to one brahmachari, I was told, long 81, 82, I don't know which year. There was course going on Siddhabadi. I told this. One brahmachari got a spiritual attack while listening to Vedanta course. He was the son of some army officer. Gurudev was also there at that time, not in ashram, but he was alive and then so somewhere. So that suddenly he disappeared from ashram. They thought he went home. वो मोबाइल कांटेक्ट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है उन्हें. तो 3 दिन के बाद आर्मी वाले आए योल कैंप से. भाई हम लोग देखा है कि ये कुछ मुंडन करके एक एंटीना रखा है, शिखा रखे, एक कोई ब्रह्मचारी जैसा लग रहा है, वो बेहोश पड़ा है पहाड़ों में. हम कहीं जा रहे थे, उसको उठा के ले आए, हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती किया. अभी अभी होश आया है, जाके मिलो. Who is that? ब्रह्मचारी. पूछा कि क्यों गए? स्पिरिचुअल अटैक, सडन अटैक हैज कम. आई विल मेडिटेट लाइक तपोन महाराज. गया, जाके वहां बेहोश हो गया अंदर बर्फ माउंटेन्स में. गुरुदेव सेड अनफिट टू बी ब्रह्मचारी, स्टैंडिंग बैक होम. So we should not think we are that such category. Ravana Maharshi correctly said, so many obstacles are there. I think I will take sannyas. More suffocation. If you take sannyas, मेरा बर्तन कहाँ गया, मेरा गिलास कहाँ था, that will come now, thought will come. घर में अच्छे अपने आप चाय पीते थे, अभी क्या चाय भी नहीं मिलता है आश्रम में टाइम पे. मैं बना के पीऊं? नो, अदर्स आर नॉट अलाउड इनसाइड. Frustrated souls. Don't dig that attack. Very dangerous it is. But there are for real spiritual seeker के लिए he feels is all for that to free himself from all such obstacles, sannyasa ashrama is required. For whom? For that serious seeker who is able to, whose mind is not going on clothes and conditions of sleep and यहाँ पे नहीं है, but जहाँ पे भी है सो जाओ. Like the Gurudev, how did he go? What kind of facilities he had at the date of Tapon Maharaj ashram? तकिया भी नहीं था, चटाई भी नहीं था, जमीन पे सोयो, पत्थर रख के सोते थे. पत्थर इज तकिया, पत्थर, stone is pillow for Gurudev. And early morning, 3 o'clock, Tapon Maharaj he also would go take bath. ठंड में. You are capable of it. एक दिन नहा के फिर you need what is that, Septinil and all kinds of creams, Vicks Vaporub, Amrutanjan, paracetamol, body pain, plus various types of ointments, move, etc. to rub everywhere. That is our condition. कैंप ले जाओ, ले गए. घर कब ले जाएंगे, घर कब जाएंगे, कहीं यहाँ पे मुश्किल है यार रहना इधर. बस एक ही दिन है, बस 2 ही दिन है, गिनते रहते हैं. यू थिंक वी आर फिट इनफ? बातें कब बात करते बताओ? एसी रूम बैठ के बात करते हैं. मैं सब कुछ छोड़ना चाहती हूँ. पहला एसी बंद करके बैठो, गर्मी के मौसम में देखते हैं. बकवास है सब. वी आर नॉट दैट कैलिबर, वी आर नॉट दैट क्वालिटी, वी डोंट हैव. सो बेटर बी देयर वेयर यू आर एंड डू व्हाट यू कैन डू. दैट्स इट. ज्यादा दिखाना नहीं. Therefore, pratibandha bahulya varanaya ashramo matah. So therefore, tanvrityartho atha jnana siddhehe sopanasthaniyam ashramakramam nirupayishyan prathamashrama prayojanam aha. Therefore, now jnana siddhehe sopanasthaniyam ashramakramam. So it is proved, proving for the jnana siddhi importance of the sopanakramam. Brahmacharya ashram, grahastha, vanaprastha, sannyas. A rare one, somebody rare ones, they go direct sannyas. But not all sannyasis also are not meditators and all. They're all maybe vividasha sannyas. They wanted to learn knowledge, they do work, they do service, they learn scriptures, they seva mein rehte hai. Everybody is not like Tapon Maharaj, completely withdrawn. Or like Ramana Maharshi, or like Puja Gurudev. No, it's not capable. So with some sannyasis they work hard in society, in the ashrams. They do. For purification of their karma karte hai, upasana karte hai. But they don't have encumbrances. They have no desire to marry, have children, and apna har, apna gadi. Their desires are gone. They also don't have any desire for any other thing. Therefore, they could spend time. So they are free from all kinds of obstacles, pratibandhakas, such as अपना खाना बनाना, अपना घर नहीं है, अपना ये वो नहीं है, ये यहाँ पे परिव्राजक. They are free. They don't have to think what came next breakfast from where it will come. हमें क्या करना है? हम तो भिक्षा मांगते हैं, जो मिलेगा खा लेंगे. They are free from all that. But Grahasthas are those who are not capable of such kind of lifestyle. They have to follow the method. Brahmacharya bano, ashram bano, then Grahastha, then Vanaprastha. Slowly withdraw. So prayojanam. The prayojanam is there. So what is the prayojanam? Brahmacharya ashrama. Brahmacharya ashrame yasya shakti rujrumbhate vrataihi vidyaya jnana vruddhya cha sapashchat prajwalishyate. So brahmacharya ashrame yasya shakti ujrumbhate vrataihi. Brahmacharya ashrama is vows they take. There are many vows they take. They're all, their vrata is that, disciplining time, disciplining in food, disciplining in sleeping, disciplining in routine, disciplining in japa, tapa, vrata, kathora vrata they do. Guru seva, Guru susrusha. And they don't have any other, they are totally dedicated, continuously serving and learning. And they are kathora vratai. So therefore, yasya brahmacharya ashrame vrataihi shastrokta niyamaihi. They follow shastric injunctions. Brahmacharya ashram में क्या क्या का so many rules are given in all scriptures, in Puranas. सुबह उठना है, नहाना है, ध्यानवान करना है, संध्या वंदन करना है, जप करना है. Guru के लिए he has to go to jungle and bring the twigs for havan. Then ashram की शुद्धि करो. We were studying in Brahmacharya course in ashram. We were doing all kinds of work there. We have to wash utensils of all people every day. Every day duty. 5 दिन, 1 हफ्ता, one team. Routine. Every day we are allotted some duties. So sometimes kitchen ka duty aata hai. So we have to 6 people. We have to wear apron coat and all the plates jutha, all sabka jhuta. And especially Guru Purnima, some festivals, 600 plate, 708 plate, 800 plate हम धोते थे. मस्ती में. There is no thought. सबका प्लेट उठा रख देते, फिर कारी करो, फिर अभी ना, फिर बाद में गर्म पानी में डुबा लो, फिर तेल फिर जाएगा, फिर साबुन पानी में लो, फिर अच्छे पानी में लो, फिर पोछा लगाओ, फिर पूरा सुखाओ. बाय द 3:30 नेक्स्ट क्लास 3:15 तक ये सारा काम खत्म करके पूरा ड्राई करते थे, प्लेट्स और ऑल. एंड एवरी डे झाड़ू लगाते हैं आश्रम पूरा. लोकेशन, दिस एरिया, दिस टीम. So sometimes once in every day Narayan Seva, but one day kitchen Seva, one day this Seva, one day, and once in a week whole hall emptied and cleaned with water. Every Sunday duty. पाइप लगाओ, कारपेट पूरा बजाओ, कुर्सियाँ बाहर हटाओ, स्टेज खाली करो, सब पानी डालो, सर्फ पानी डालो, चमकाओ पूरा पूरा वहां पे ये सब पूरा काम करते थे, मस्त. डू यू थिंक ऐसे बन जाते ब्रह्मचारी? Throughout 2 years, no newspaper, no television, no movie, no restaurant, no going out of the gate of the ashram. एक्सेप्ट गुरु जी का टॉक्स कुछ होता है तो ब्रह्मचारी को लेके आओ, वो भी 5 बजे निकलते थे, सुनते फिर वापस आ जाते थे, बस सीधा आश्रम खाना खाने. बस 8:30 9 बजे पहुँचो, 8 बजे खत्म होता है, 9 o'clock 9:15 यू रीच. तब भूख लगती सबको. नाइट डिनर में अंदर जाते, ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः खलो, 15 अध्याय पढ़े के बिना खाना नहीं मिलता है. चलो शुरू करो, चैंटिंग करते करते लाइन में लगे रहो, किचन के साथ वो देता है खाना, लिटिल भिक्षा होने, भाई दे दो चल दाल बैठो खाओ. फिर 4 बजे उठो, 5:30 मेडिटेशन. Do here. If you bunk meditation, punished. Is it easy to live in Sandipani? Now they have more comforts. हमारा कपड़ा हमको वॉशिंग मशीन नहीं होता था, कोई रगड़ो धोयो, सुखाओ, रोज सुखाओ अपना. 24 hours like a clock. Plus learning, plus practicing, plus studying, plus writing exams every week. What is the concept behind Vivek? With one question. And what are the qualities that you find in first chapter of Kathoparishad in Nachiket? Write down. Explain the theme of Kaivalya Upanishad. Yeah. ये तमाशा है क्या? You think आश्रम ब्रह्मचारी मीन्स मुफ्त में खाना खा के सो रहे होंगे, रगड़ देते हैं. Our earlier batches are still more hardships they underwent. So brahmacharya ashrame, then because of the discipline, shakti ujrambhate, new power will come. Because of self-control, all energies are not going wasted, dissipated. Therefore, shaktehe shastra niyamaihi vidyabhyasamanaya jnana-vruddhya medha-abhivruddhya jnana-vruddhi intelligence abhiruddhya cha shakti ujrambhate, special power they get. इसलिए ब्रह्म वर्चस बढ़ता है. ब्रह्म वर्चसेन अन्नाद्येन सुवर्गेण लोकेन, ब्रह्म वर्चस comes there because of tapasya. Brahma varchas. So such a person, and after the training the guru will ask, hey, how many of you want to go back to home and enter Grihastha ashram? How many of you want to remain here and serve the ashram? How many of you want to go and as a parivrajak and make sannyas? How many want you to go like that? They'll ask. हम ना गुरुजी हम परिव्राजक बनना चाहते हैं. जाओ घूमो बेटा घूमो. कभी कभी 4 5 6 10 साल के बाद इधर यहाँ पे आ गए तो मुझसे मिलना. जाओ परिव्राजक, सन्यासी. Somebody goes back to Grihastha. Somebody says no, आपके पास से रहूंगा, आपकी सेवा करूंगा, आपको मदद करूंगा. I'll help you. अदर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आप जो पढ़ाते हैं ना, कुछ काम मैं भी करूंगा. कुछ बोलता है गुरुजी मैं यहीं रहूंगा, बट आई डोंट नो टीचिंग एंड ऑल. मैं आपके रसोई घर में खाना बनाता हूँ, सबके लिए सेवा करूंगा. मैं फिर बाकी समय मेरा अपना ध्यान तपस्या करता हूँ. वेरी गुड. हाउ डज इट मैटर? सो सह पश्चात ग्राहस्थ्य स्वीकारे प्रज्वलिष्यति. मीनिंग such a person when he enters into Grihastha ashrama, he shines, he excels as a Grihastha. Age is not a criteria for wedding. Oh, I think I'm matured to get married. That is not a criteria. Then you confuse everybody. तो शादी का एज आ गया है, शादी कराना है, बट इज ही मेच्योर्ड एनफ टू हैंडल द गृहस्थ आश्रम? बोथ गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज? नो. One wife married after one couple. She said, "Don't worry, darling. You just go and afternoon you take in the food company only. But you just tell. I'll make it ready at least evening." तो you would say, "अच्छा इडली बनाओ या सांभर बनाओ, इडली आग वड़ा बनाओ, और न तो ये पेसरट्टू बनाओ, या न तो आज पराठा बनाओ या मूली का पराठा बनाओ, ऐसा कोई बिरयानी बनाओ." तो she would serve everything very devotedly in the evening. After 30 days, bill has come. खिचड़ी बिल कहाँ का है? 25,000. तो आप ही का है, आप ही तो खाया है सब. मैंने कब खाया? रोज सुबह ऑर्डर देते हो ना, मैं ऑर्डर और किसी को देती हूँ. किसको? जोमैटो, स्विगी, डिफरेंट रेस्टोरेंट से मंगाती हूँ. जो तुमसे ऑर्डर लिया वो मंगा के रखती हूँ. यह सब तूने नहीं बनाया क्या? I don't know how to prepare a tea also. I use premix tea. वाघ बकरी और कई कंपनी है बहुत भी. Premix tea I use. That I know. Open the sachet, put the powder in hot water, चम्मच में मिला के दे देती हूँ. Do you think I am drinking tea? आवा. So prajwalishyati. He becomes a matured couple. Both are educated. Educated means not literacy. More educated in that way, more fighting. Who is more? You are PG, I am degree. So I am superior to you. You are degree, I am PG, I am superior. No, both are PG, but I am PhD. Therefore I am superior. Because they don't know how to live life. So Brahmacharya Ashrama teaches us how to live life. Your own children, youth, girls or boys, they don't know. So who are the architects of confusion? Because parents only. Bachpan se, the small plant you can bend. They become banyan tree and you wanted बात मानता नहीं. बात कैसे मानेगा अभी? ये became जड़ा भाव रटवृक्ष, पुष्ट पहलवान. How can you bend? You will not bend. So because we never lived in such kind of a life of brahmacharya ashram, we don't know the value of it. So we don't teach others. As simple as that. So कहीं ना कहीं ट्रेडिशन बेक हो गया, भाड़ में गया. Generations after generations. But you are taught by your parents how to earn money, how to this one. You teach that only to children. Importance to money and career only. At the cost of values, ethics, behavior, goodness, humanity, good health, psychological, physical, nothing. All that no. Secondary. First money and career and competition and comparison. So Grihastha Ashrama prajwalishyati only when the Brahmacharya Ashrama is properly understood, lived. What is that? Vijrumbhate vrataihi. That is Brahmacharya Ashrama. Acha. Ata garhastyam prastauti. Now Grihastha Ashrama is praised. The Brahmacharya is praised. Grihastha Ashrama. Brahmacharyena shuddhena गृहीत्वे निर्मलो भवेत् सर्वेषाम् उपकाराय गृहस्थाश्रम उच्यते ब्रह्मचर्येण शुद्धेन गृहीत्वे निर्मलो भवेत् सर्वेषाम् उपकाराय गृहस्थाश्रम उच्यते शुद्धेन यथाशास्त्रम् अनुष्ठितेन ब्रह्मचर्येण साधनेन अप्पा as prescribed by the scriptures one has lived in brahmacharya ashram by gaining knowledge and improving his intelligence and urja brahmavarchas and tejas when he is improved because of his discipline vrataihi vows such a person grihitve when he enters into grihastha svikare nirmalo bhavet he becomes pure why विषय उपभोग संगेन कालुष्यम अप्रापितो भवेत् because of his enjoying the sense objects of the world he is not tainted while going through the experiences of the grihasthashram purushaha iti adhyahara purusha the person has to be added so that person is not tainted because no bhoga taints him now our case everything every enjoyment taints the grihastha a beautiful house so beautiful decorated when will we have our house like that दुनियादारी बात मैं कह रहा हूं excellent very expansive sunlight is coming so beautiful how many square feet 5,000 oh very good ours is only 1,000 I think I should expand कहीं गया बस गए संग होटल में गया अगले बार भी यहीं रहेंगे संग कहीं खाया अगले बार भी यहीं खाएंगे संग that means danger is whatever you experience in that grihastha ashrama you get attached to it why there is no training in Guru Brahmacharya ashram
That's not मंच के नहीं आया
the clarity you are getting
जी
जो देखा जो सुना जो खाया जो पिया जो सूझा attached people ask me what do you like to eat I can't answer because I don't know what to answer बताओ आपके पसंद की चीज क्या है Sir, I can't answer. I can tell you what I should not eat as per my health record. Oh, वो तो बता दीजिए ये नहीं खाऊंगा ये नहीं खाऊंगा ये लिस्ट बड़ा लिस्ट है फिर खाएंगे क्या आप इसमें ये डालना वो खिलाओगे बाबा बाई भगवान से ग्रेस आई माइंड इज नॉट गोइंग टुवर्ड्स फूड लक्की बच गया व्हाट कैन आई आंसर
Sanjay, I have seen children, those who have attended Bal Vihar and all that, now they are married, their life is very different. They are very,
yes, those who are
very refined children.
yeah, youth also.
They look after their children also very well.
I know that. So many lakhs of people. Lakhs of people all over the world. Wonderful mothers, wonderful fathers. How they handle and how others handle, vast difference. See difference बोलते हैं. They don't know how to handle. So क्या होता है if you are not trained in brahmacharya ashrama, danger of whatever you experience in grihastha ashrama, you get attached, take it as a prestige issue, comparison, glamour. To be simple is a prestige issue. I just can't eat such kind of hotels. I think a decent hotel should be there. What do you mean decent? In 5-star hotel, I will not name the hotel in Mumbai near airport. I went he's no more. He's a very rich man, he's a very businessman, industrialist, big factory and all. Very big man. So we both went in 2021 May. We had to go to this one for Mumbai and all. So we both went. Swamiji, we'll have breakfast in hotel. I said, I am not so craving for 5 because I lived that life earlier. So I said, kya farak pad? No, sorry. Elderly man said, okay, the president. So a very beautiful 5-star hotel near the airport. बड़े कार है उनका, आगे कंपनी वाले ले गए थे. समझे, what do you want? I said, I don't want anything. No, you must eat something. Okay, dosa, plain dosa. I ordered. Plain dosa लेके आया. वो भी अच्छे खाया कर रहे थे, वहाँ पे बैठे आराम से. चटनी में लंबा बाल निकला. तो पकड़ के निकाला मैंने. हाँ, सच में बोल रहा हूँ, झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग लाइज. He was offended. स्वामी जी को लेके आया ये बाल होटल में. 5 star or 6 star, I don't know, huge hotel, big hotel it is. I called that, भैया ये क्या है, चटनी में निकला है. Oh, sorry sir. And dosa taken away and chutney taken away. And in 2 minutes that Kiriti came, chief chef. Kiriti, special Kiriti आ गया. Sir, please, sorry. I said, lucky it has come to me. Had it gone to somebody else, they would have made a chutney of that hotel. तो बच गए बेटा. No sir, I will give you another dosha, fresh dosha, special dosha. आपके लिए बना के जो भी है खिलाओ, जल्दी बन जाना है, हमको आश्रम जाना है. You call that glamour? Decent? वहाँ पे भी होता है. You don't know how they make inside. जो आदमी जो आगे सामने बनाते हैं ना गांव में, उधर थोपड़ बट्टे में अच्छे से थैच्ड होटल में, टेस्ट भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, शुद्ध है वो.
पर स्वामी जी, भोजन में अगर बाल निकल जाए तो उसको फिर अशुद्ध मानते हैं, ऐसा भी है?
हाँ, मानते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स. ठीक है, एनीवे वो आपका प्रॉब्लम है. कहने का मतलब है, if you are not trained in brahmacharya ashram, grahastha ashram gives you a great attachment. Sangha बढ़ जाता है. Therefore, this man who is trained in brahmacharya ashram, kalushyam aprapito bhavet purusha iti adhya. That is not tainted. He lives through it, but is not affected. Like a water drop on two lotus leaves. Padmapatramivambhasa. So, sarvesham ashraminam upakaraya grahasthashrama uchyate. One more important, I will take extra 15 minutes today. Grahasthashrama is meant for helping everybody. Because all other 3 ashramas survive only on grahasthashrama. Sannyasi को भिक्षा देने वाले गृहस्थ है. ब्रह्मचर्य को सपोर्ट करने वाला गृहस्थ है. वनप्रस्थि का देखभाल देखने वाला भी गृहस्थ है. So if you are that life is extremely committed to entire welfare of total world. That's the duty of a grahastha. Whatever he gets earned, within that he has to help everybody. That's the main tapasya of grahastha ashrama. सर्वेषाम आश्रमिणाम उपकाराय गृहस्थाश्रम उच्यते व्यवस्थापते इति भावः. Now, सर्वथा वीत संगस्य गृहस्थस्यापि देहिनः परं प्रस्फुरति ज्योतिः तत्र नैवास्ति संशयः. So, सर्वथा सर्वेणापि प्रकारेण, in all possible ways, वीत संगस्य गृहस्थस्यापि, a गृहस्थ without any attachment, वीत संगः, no attachment. गृहस्थस्य पामरत्वमेव शरणम न ज्ञानस्य अवकाश इति सामान्य प्रतीति ही. सामान्य पीपल थिंक दैट नॉर्मल क्या बोलते हैं, सुनाया जाता है कि गृहस्थ को ओनली इग्नोरेंट इज नॉट फिट फॉर ज्ञानम. एक गृहस्थी है, संसारी है, फंसा हुआ है, उसको ज्ञान कहाँ मिलता है? दिस काइंड ऑफ ए प्रतीति, सामान्य प्रतीति ही इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. सो पामरत्वमेव शरणम न ज्ञानस्य अवकाश इति सामान्य प्रतीति ही तस्माद अपि इति उक्तम. This therefore api is the word used. Grahastha api. Api means also. Grahastha also can realize the truth. Also is means what? That wrong notion is deleted by the word api. भाई गृहस्थ भी ज्ञान प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. भी means general understanding is grahastha is not capable of gaining knowledge and developing vairagya, etc. No, it is not correct. So the Ramakrishna Paramhansa said, no ship will be in the ocean or river, but water should not be in the ship or in the boat. Boat is in the river, but water is not in the boat. So one may be in any ashrama, but grahastha ashrama should not enter into the heart and become chipkali. That is the life we should live. That's what he says. So therefore, शरणम न ज्ञान सवकाशति सामान्य प्रतीति ही तस्मादपि इति उक्तम. प्रतिबंधक बाहुल्ये अपि, even though there are plenty of obstacles and challenges in grahastha पूर्व आश्रम प्राप्ति विद्या ज्ञान व्रत उज्ज्वलः. Earlier ashram में because of the gaining of knowledge and wisdom and intelligence and vrata vows if ujjwalaha yo nirasangah vyavaharati, because of that brilliance he has gained in brahmacharya ashrama by study of Vedas and scriptures and understanding and vratas and vows, etc. Knowledge is gained. Because of that, yo nisangah vyavaharati. Because of that wisdom, even though there are challenges in grahastha ashrama, this person behaves without any attachment, with detachment. Tasya dehinaha, that such an embodied being grahastha ke liye jyotihi praspurati swarupa prakasha siddhyati tatra vishaye naivasya samshayaha. So for that person, Atma Jyoti emerges out, meaning he realizes the truth. The self shines resplendently, gloriously. In this regard, there is no doubt. Who? One who had trained from childhood how to navigate through the grahastha ashrama. He will not get caught up. One who is not trained and how to swim is not trained, पानी में फेंक दिया तो मर जाओगे, डूब जाओगे. Therefore, within 1 week divorce, 1 day divorce. He is snoring divorce, she is not cooking divorce, she insulted divorce. She did not look at me divorce. She did not welcome me divorce. She was calling her mother more every day, therefore divorce. He is bringing his mother, I will not serve her divorce. Why should I? I married him, not his mother, therefore you leave your mother, otherwise I will divorce. Don't send any money to your father and mother. Why should we look after them? We live our life. No, it's not allowed. They have given me birth, they have everything. No, then you decide whether you want to be with your parents or with me. और बताओ, बस है ना? कितना सुनोगे? Intelligent people jaldi understands. They don't know how to live life. This brahmacharya ashrama, that togetherness, teamwork, understanding, yajna bhav, kuch bhi nahi hai na. Guruji always says, nuclear family, sunte hi dar lagta bolte. Nuclear family, nuclear bomb जैसा कभी भी फट सकता है. अथ वानप्रस्थाश्रम, that we will take up tomorrow. Only 3 slokas are there. Tomorrow we will complete 8th chapter. Okay, 9, 10, 11. 11th is only conclusion. So 2 more are there mainly, that we will see tomorrow. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।